Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to sew a buttonhole onto a pillowcase cover I just made in another video, and I figure I'd just show you how to make some buttonholes for them. I'm using the, what is this, a Brother? Yep, it's a Brother CE 4000 computer. So it comes with a bunch of feet, and this is the button foot. I think it says A on the bottom there. So I'm going to show you how to use this. It's going to be super simple, and it's going to make your life a lot easier to make buttonholes. Okay, so what you're going to need to do first is you're going to need to mark your fabric on where you want your buttonholes to be. I'm going to put 3 buttons. Fortunately, I don't have pink ones, so I just got 3 matching yellow ones, and frankly I'm going to make it so you can't see it anyway. So you're going to find spots, preferably evenly spaced somewhat, on where you want your buttons. I think this is the one you guys can see the best. So what you do is you put your button there and you mark on each side, and this is a washable marker. So you mark on each side of the button and where you want your button hole to be. We've marked our 3 buttonholes. You're going to need 1 button to put inside this guy. You're going to take your old foot off so the machine knows how big the hole is going to be. You put it in this little holder like so, and then you put your little foot back on. Okay, and then my machine always tells me to do this because this will help, this will tell it where to stop, because the size of the button, so it'll stop and go. So turn your machine on, and of course you're gonna have to pick a buttonhole thing that you like. So I think I usually do like the 26, so see, and then it tells me I'm on the A. So then you take your item, and what the instructions say is you take your first marked, the closest to you, and you center it. There's little red and green. You put it right into the middle of those of that item there. So, oh, come on. This fabric is a little catchy here, so okay, so there's the first mark. Okay. I usually start it off so my needles don't go through, and then you just start sewing. I don't know if you guys can see that very well. And the machine literally does the work for you. Okay, so if your machine doesn't jack up your fabric, I got 1 out of 3 done that were correct. So it should look like this. Okay, so then you take this tool. It's got like a little hook kind of thing. And you go right in the middle. Oh, goodness. you go kind of in the middle of the 2 stitches. You poke through, and you just kind of go, and you make a slit right there in the middle. I just don't want to stab myself. Oh, come on. Dude, this fabric is giving me the worst time. And you don't want to go all the way to the, you don't want to slit your side here. So then you got a buttonhole like this. And it should match the size of your button. Ta-da! Whoa, bloop. So, I recommend getting a better sewing machine. This sewing machine was like $150 or something. I mean, it does the job sometimes, but sometimes it really sucks. Like today, I mean, literally, the button, I mean, this thing is just wrecked. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then this one is even worse. So, maybe it's the fabric or what, but very disappointing. So, that's what it should look like. Nice buttonhole for your items. Okay, that's it. I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.